Let's make a spicy mayonnaise for our sandwiches. We're going to start off here in our pan. I'm going to put half a cup of mayonnaise. We like to use Duke's. I think that heavier mayonnaise makes a better sauce for your sandwiches. To that, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So this is just going to have just a little heat to it. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, that's a maybe. They don't always like to come out like they're supposed to. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and same with black pepper, 1 teaspoon. We're going to mix this up. This is going to be a spicy mayo. We're going to stick it on some salmon sliders. Be perfect for chicken, steak, whatever you can imagine. Anyway, give this recipe a try.